स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्तम ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमी पुणे. महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षकांचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स, PDF स्वरूपात नोट्स व प्रश्नपत्रिका उपलब्ध, तेही अगदी माफक फीसमध्ये. बॅच जॉईन करण्यासाठी आजच गुगल प्ले स्टोअरवरून ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमीचे ॲप डाउनलोड करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क करा 95 11 28 04 65.
Hello friends, welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss two important questions. First question is, for the effective implementation of National Education Policy 2020, the focus should be on pedagogy, technology, health and private sector. Now see, this is a very straightforward question, but it might happen that you will start your answer. What are the common mistakes that you might commit? You will unnecessary point that you might write. You will write about National Education Policy unnecessarily. You will write meaning of these four words. Then you will write old education policy of 1986. So you have to avoid all these things. Why? Because it is not asked in the answer. What should be your focus? So it is very straightforward. First you have to start with the most important objective of new education policy 2020. Then you have to write how this pedagogy, then how this technology, health, and fourth one, private sector will help in achieving all the important goals. So this is just very straightforward answer, but I know everyone commits some same mistake. They just write unnecessary things. These four important parts are there. You have to link all these 4 points with the syllabus. That is, you have to link all these 4 points with the salient features of New Education Policy 2020. This is very straightforward. Now, what all points are involved in this thing, let's go into it. Here it is very simple. You will realize what we are going to discuss over here. Now see, what all points are there in pedagogy. I will just read out. It is very important. Pedagogy help in evolving to make education. Pedagogy goes for making education experiential. It means whatever you are learning is based on experience. I will just write it over here. Pedagogy, it make your education experiential. Then inquiry driven, discussion based, flexible and enjoyable. And holistic, finally holistic. So how these points, experiential, inquiry driven, discussion based, flexible and enjoyable, and holistic, will help in improvement and achieving desired result into the new education policy. Then second part over here is linking curriculum with industry and real life example. Third, access to technology. How access to technology is going to help us? It will help in improving digital literacy. Then technology embedded lessons will be there. Artificially intelligence, AI fostered assignments will be there. Digital pedagogy will be there. Gamification, that is to make everything active learning, will be the part of this making new education policy effective. Health and well-being is most important, as it will help in improving challenges of malnutrition and giving proper effectiveness to the education. And finally, harnessing potential of the private sector. How private sector is useful in working about finances, about infrastructure, about technology, about new ideas, innovation, about bringing ideas, innovation from private sector, foreign sector. How all these things will help in achieving or making this new education policy more and more effective, will be the part of our this particular what we can say objective. So this is the first important part or the first important question. So straight away avoid the points which are not expected and try to link all these points with salient features of the new education policy which will help in scoring very good marks. Then second question, it is development administration is a specialized job. India needs to focus on creating rural administrative service for rapid development. Now see, first you should know, or you should very well aware about development administration. So development administration is not only about the all important government schemes, policies and programs. Development administration is about urban local government and rural local government. Remember, development administration is about 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. This you have to remember. Now here, how this rural administrative service will help in rapid development of the 73rd Amendment Act has been asked specifically. So here you have to write, while writing this answer, what you have to focus? You have to focus how this 73rd Amendment Act will help in, first I will just write it over here, how it help in planning for rural development, then for resource organization, then thirdly, implementation of all strategies and policies and programs. Fourthly, feedback based mechanism to make improvement to improve participation. Fifthly, it fixes responsibility, fixed responsibility. Then it ensures accountability. And finally, it will help in achieving 4 Ds. What are those 4 Ds? I will just write them over here. 4 Ds. The 4 Ds are decentralization, then democratization, then deconcentration, and finally debureaucratization. Here you have to explain how all these things will be achieved by rural administrative service and it will help in rapid rural development. This is the real focus. So whenever you are going to write answer, remember you have to work on focus of the answer. Then last question, which is you might feel political, but you have to write answer in the way which is being expected. Republic Day is special for both the country and its citizens. But should India continue to celebrate its sovereignty and commitment to the letter and spirit of the Constitution by the marked emphasis on its military capability? Comment on its considering the financial aspect of the pandemic. So it is a straightforward question. No, it's not a straightforward question. You have to think differently. You have to think in terms of all the recent happenings in recent years, which will give you a deep insight on what should be written looking at the socio-economic situation of India in post-pandemic era. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.
स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्तम ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमी पुणे. महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षकांचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स, PDF स्वरूपात नोट्स व प्रश्नपत्रिका उपलब्ध, तेही अगदी माफक फीसमध्ये. बॅच जॉईन करण्यासाठी आजच गुगल प्ले स्टोअरवरून ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमीचे ॲप डाउनलोड करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क करा 95 11 28 04 65.